So Dave and I are in a town called Jiufen. I think it's Jiufen outside of Taipei. And we're walking through this area, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of what this looks like through here. And it's super cool. We just bought some tea from this lady, oolong tea. It has all these little shops all along here. Places to eat. And really neat stuff that we have never seen before. Ooh, that looks yummy. Look at that. Oh wow, look at this. All kinds of nougat here. Different flavors. That looks good. Hi, honey.
Okay.
Those look like dried strawberries. Interesting. Huh. I'm not sure what those are. Huh. Ah! Delivery! Oh my, stuff for our granddaughter. Look at these outfits. Wow.
And stuff for cats, dogs and cats.
Oh my gosh, for animals? That's great. Oh, look how cute. Sorry.
About $12.
Wow. That is pretty. Really neat stuff. Look at this thing. Look at the size of that thing. Wow. Yeah. Jeez. Hopefully we won't need those for the race.
Race coats. They're 100.
That's cheap.
Do you think you need
It's
one?
like $3.
See, those are the okras that were.
Oh yeah. Dry veggies. Those are neat.
I found out what to do. Sorry.
Look at those. Aren't they cool? Wow. Look at all the peacocks. Look at these things. And they stuff them. Huh. For Jade. Ooh, sushi. Yum. Oh, wow.
It's awesome when the sun's out.
Yeah. Very, very cool. Wow. That's cool. What'd you get, Dave?
I got you a surprise and you're eating it first.
You left me, or I left you for just a couple minutes to go to the restroom. And this is what he's got. I have no idea what this is. What
I
is
got Kim a surprise and she's just gonna pick it up and eat it right now.
Alright.
No, you don't drink this liquid. You actually pick something out of the bowl. There you go. And?
like sweet.
You know what they are?
A gummy.
I'll tell you what they are. Sweet taro balls.
Oh. Good. What do you think, Dave?
I think they're pretty good. I thought they were pretty low risk when I saw sweet taro balls. Mm-hmm. All different flavors and colors.
Mm-hmm. They're good. They are like almost like a jelly. Never.
More like a dough.
Like a dough, yeah. You're right. More like a dough. It has a nutty flavor to it, a little bit. Good.
Check it out. There's also like beans and stuff in there.
Yeah. Interesting, huh?
Yep. Cheers.
Yeah. Are you feeding me, Roth?
I didn't want to drink it all before it was gone, so I wanted to share. Open up, Mama.
Look at this strawberry mochi. Yum. We're gonna eat that, aren't we, Dave?
It's got red Tennessee Taiwanese meatball inside.
Yeah, we've never tried this before. This will be interesting. She's preparing it for us here.
Okay, $60.
Oh yeah, 60.
Okay, order machine in here. Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
look at that. Hey, here.
That's one.
Look at this thing here. So the last time you made me try it first, so now this time you're gonna try it first, all right?
Well, for starters, it looks like a grape. It looks like a grapefruit,
Yeah.
but it's a rice thing on the outside with a red Vinasse meatball inside. Look at it. Wonder what that is. I'm gonna try this first. It's got a unique flavor to it.
Because it tastes like cinnamon?
It's hard to say.
This is highly unusual. It's jelly, it's like a dumpling. It's got meat inside, and then it's got this like pickled garnish type stuff. It looks like cucumbers or something. Unusual taste, but I would recommend trying it.
So I just Googled what this thing is, and it's a red Vinasse Taiwanese meatball, and it is essentially a steamed ball of minced pork wrapped inside a translucent gelatinous bubble made of rice and something else.
That is something I would have never tried.
Did you just say we're supposed to try stuff we have never tried?
Yeah.
And are you gonna try that stinky tofu?
No.
Beef noodle for you.
Oh, look at that. That looks fabulous.
Beef for you, noodle for me.
Look at that.
With chopsticks. She's becoming a pro.
So we're on our way out, and I could not resist stopping at this smoothie place and getting us a passion fruit smoothie. Perfect ending to our day.